Well, here I am. So here I will show you how much money you can make if you have 1 million views. Well, right now I'm in my YouTube dashboard, as you can see. So this is my real data coming over here. And I have 28,000 subscribers, and I've been running this channel over a little over 1 year. And if we go and see our content, and we'll see all the contents, and most probably we'll go and see the last one, my first video. It may take a bit of time to download it, and the last page. Okay, let's see. Yes, looks like I have one more page though. So over here you see my first video I published on 2020 October 8th, but right now it's March the 11th, I think. But after this October actually I have pretty much sent a few videos, as you can see over here, and none of them really got any big hit. Okay, well, and after that I stopped. Okay, so I actually formally started doing on March 2021, as you can see from here. Okay, all right. So so after that, altogether I published over 128 videos. Well, let's see my view first over here. Okay, so based on view we'll see my videos, and then we'll go and see the dashboard, how much YouTube gave me for 1 million view. So right now I'll do my YouTube over here. I think this one, YouTube videos, YouTube videos. Okay, all right. So this is my channel, as you can see. Okay, I can customize the channel, so just to confirm that we are the same channel, right? So this is my logo, the other logo is here, over here. Now I'll sort the video based on most popular. So 3 months ago I posted a video that got 195k views. 6 months ago 135, 1 month ago 130k views, and 6 months ago, yeah, like that. So this few videos, they got me really a lot of views. Okay, and if you further go down, so you'd see views go down. Anyway, so over the little over 1 year I have posted 128 videos, and this is the one that has the highest number of views. But anyway, so 2 weeks ago my channel reached total 1 million views. That was 2 weeks ago. Okay, well, I have been monetized, it's been like 6 months. So let's see over the last 6 months actually how much I earned, even though my total view is 1 million little over. But of course some views were before monetization, so they didn't earn me any money. Anyway, so I'll go over here, this analytics, and we'll see my revenue. Of course this revenue is for the last 28 days. Okay, yeah, so let's take a look. So this is the revenue, and if we see it for lifetime over here, so as you see for lifetime I have over 1,015,000 views. 1,015,000 views over here. I think 1,151,000 actually, 1,151,000 views. And from the lifetime, well, it started from last year September, as you can see from here. So September 15th, the first day I got money from monetization, and until now I've earned a little over $2,000, $2,200 almost. Okay, well, this is my view for last 24 hours. So for this long period of time over here, because I didn't really publish videos and I also didn't have monetization. Anyway, so yeah, so this is the money I have gotten for my over 1 million views. Okay, well, but now this is part of the income that I made from YouTube. I also made money from Patreon. Now my Patreon account is connected with my YouTube account, and I'll tell you how. let's go over to my Patreon account. So over here, I will see my total income for the last few months. So I'll click earnings over here. Actually, as you can see that these are the money that I have earned over the last few months from Patreon. Okay, yeah, so this is the money that I have earned. So I've added over here, this is almost over 3,000. So yeah, over here 2,200, and over here almost $3,000. So during the whole lifetime of my YouTube channel, I have earned a little over $5,000. But in actual money, actually, I started to make last year from September. Okay, so since I started monetization, pretty much at the same time I started doing Patreon. Now a lot of my channel videos, like over here, this is a long video. So this is a course actually where I teach programming. Now this is the 4 hours videos. Well, now a lot of the viewers, either they can watch it and finish the course, or they can come over here, like as you can see, Patreon. Okay, this is the link. So they can go click on this link and unlock the code or the course. Okay, but to unlock it they have to pay money. So the money is over here in my Patreon account. So that's how I connected my YouTube and Patreon. So they doubled my income. So yes, even though I'm running my channel a little over 1 year, but this $5,000 I've gotten over the last 6 months. Well, I wouldn't say it's a lot of money, but this is the reality. But of course, if you work harder, definitely this would go higher and higher. The same is happening with my Patreon account. So I make more sales on Patreon right now, as you can see. First month I just made $66, and then $190, $300, $200, $33, then 300, over here 400, 700, and 500. But now this is March. By this time I already made 500 in this month. So I'm going to make more because I have another 20 days left. Okay, so definitely this would be more than 800 by the end of this month. Yeah, so this is growing. As you work hard, put on more effort, you make more money. Like if you see over here, we'll go back to my dashboard over here. Now I will sort over here based on the date. Okay, so as you see, recently I've been posting a lot more videos. Well, now when you post more videos, there is a higher chance that you get more views. Okay, so as you can see, so I'm trying to upload more and more videos, pretty much every day one video for the last 2 weeks. So, and it is helping me as well. So as you can see from here, I'm pretty much uploading every day and I'm trying to be consistent. So as you post more videos, you get more views. So these are the views, and you get more subscribers. Eventually that means more money. But yes, you have to put on some effort to make money. It's not that easy. Okay, you might see a lot of YouTube gurus that tell you that, yeah, run a YouTube channel and make a lot of money. Yes, you can, but it's not that easy. You have to put on a lot of effort. Okay, anyway, so if you have questions or how you make money, you can leave a comment below. Thank you so much.